Namaste students, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at third semester. We will discuss the topic enrollment and dropout, meaning and assessment. Specific objectives of the theme. Firstly, the study would like to study the school dropout of the Philippines and Turkey. Especially, the study would like to define the school dropouts. What are the factors influencing school dropouts, and how to the school dropout rate of Philippines, and what measures can be taken to eradicate or lessen the number of school dropouts. Okay. Discuss one by one. History of school dropouts. The high dropout rate in Western country sharply contrasts with the social and economic objectives that have been formulated by government officials and policymakers in order to achieve sustainable economic growth. In the OECD countries, on average, 72% of all 25 to 34-year-old had completed in 12-year equivalents in 1999. The United States is facing a dropout crisis. An estimated 25% of public school students who entered the high school in the fall of 2000s failed in earned a diploma 4 years later in 2003-4. In California, more than 26% of ninth graders failed to graduate over the same periods. Okay. The last comprehensive reviews of the dropout literature were done in the 1980. To address the dropout crisis requires a better understanding of why students drop out. Identifying the causes of dropping out is extremely difficult. Like other forms of education achievements, the act of dropping out is influenced by an array of factors related to both the individuals, students, and to the family, school, and community settings in which the students lives. National Research Council Committee are on increasing high school students' engagements and motivation to learn 2004. What is school dropouts? Dropout is a student who leave off a specific level of education system without achieving first qualifications, and dropout, this refers to the one who leaves school or an educational programs permanently. Okay. Next, school dropout is defined as the failure of students of completing the current stage of education he or she is enrolled for several reasons. School dropout is also defined as leaving the current step of education without graduating or completing the ongoing educational programs via students who currently continue his/her education. Next, school dropout has been defined as leaving education without obtaining a minimal credential. School dropout is a serious problem not only for the individual and the school but society as a whole. Why students drop out? To better understand the underlying causes behind students' decisions for dropping outs, this study reviews the past 25 years of research on dropouts. The research review identified two types of factors that predicts whether students drop out or graduate from high school. Factors associated with individuals, characteristics of students, and factors associated with the institutional characteristics of their families, schools, and communities. Okay, thank you, students.